You are going to love the 2019 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, heated front seats, power windows, compass. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.